Hello there, I'm Jonathan. Welcome to Kingsdale TV's cooking show, bringing you quality cooking content to follow along at home. Today we will be making a simple sponge cake, an essential for any aspiring baker like Jonathan. Jonathan, are you ready? No? I think he's ready now, folks. Let's begin. At home, you will need the following ingredients: a kitchen, an oven, self-raising flour. Make sure it's self-raising because nobody else is going to raise it. Caster sugar. That's right. A whisk. Butter. Yes, butter and eggs. Those are the ingredients. You'll also need a bowl, a spatula. I think that's it. Oh, and a baking tray. Always useful. A circular cake-shaped one and baking paper to line it. Alright, let's begin. Firstly, put the oven on. Are you finished, Jonathan? Great. Next, you need to line your baking tray. Well done, Jonathan. It seems you have managed to line your baking tray without using scissors. What a safe person you are. Now put your lined baking tray to the side and we will start on the cake. Get yourself a bowl. Now, put some butter in the bowl. Now put some sugar in the bowl. Now, take your whisk and whisk together the butter and the sugar. Be careful when using electricity and have a responsible adult help you. As Miss Lung taught me in Year 7, always put the plug in with the on button off and only turn it on after you've set up your machine to avoid any danger. We wouldn't want danger, would we, Jonathan? Oh! The power isn't on. There you are. Would you like your next step, Jonathan? Well done, Jonathan. Would you like to know what to do next? Now, Jonathan, you need to add your eggs into... Why aren't you doing what I say, Jonathan? That's right, that's right. And take the whisks out. That's right, that's right. Take the whisks out. Okay. And now put the eggs in. I'm sorry, Jonathan, I was mistaken before. You will be needing that whisk. That's alright now, you can stop whisking. For the next step, you will need a spatula. I'll quickly get to you one. You'll also need some flour. At this stage you need to be very careful not to remove all of the air you've put into your cake. Make sure next time you put the oven on to turn it on at the wall as well. Would you like to feel the texture of your cake batter, Jonathan? It's quite floury, isn't it? Fortunately, you have some milk. Maybe that will wetten it up. Jonathan, how long have you been baking? Only 10 days. What did you bake first, Jonathan? Sandwich? I think you're ready to put your batter in your baking tray now. Wait, quick, because we're running out of battery. Can you remember where your baking tray is? Up, up, left, left, left. Left, forward, right, 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 down. This is what Jonathan's been seeing this whole time. Now, Jonathan, you're nearly done. You can put the cake batter into the oven. Well done, Jonathan! How do you feel about what you've just done? Well, we'll see you in 15 minutes to see how the cake turned out.
No, he's tripping. No.
Should we get a closer look? A closer look at that oily, greasy, opaque piece of glass. There's something in there, and when it comes out, it's going to be amazing. This is the man you have been watching for the last several minutes. He is ready to unbox, unoven, reveal what we have made today. Safety first, folks. Now this is a point where you're meant to be patient. You're meant to wait for the cake to cool. Then ideally put it on the cooling rack and wait for it to cool even more. But we aren't that patient, are we, Jonathan?
Nope.
So how about... A 6? Only a 6 out of 10? Let me try this cake. That's actually delicious.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
A bit eggy.
Yeah, a tiny bit, but.
That's actually nice, you know.
Yeah.
How did you make that with a blindfold? Well, thank you for watching. This has been Kingsdale TV cooking show. We're happy with what we've made. Maybe you've made something as well. Probably not. But do follow the recipe at home, and hopefully it will turn out as well as we have here. Nothing else to say, but see you again.
See ya.
Bye. That was nice, man. Why is it so nice? Why is it so nice? Like, why is this cake so good? You made a blindfold on.